Now prosecutors in Dallas are preparing for another trial, they say, for the alleged serial killer. Our Aaron Jones at the courthouse in Dallas tonight to explain what happened with the jury.
This all came down to one juror. Throughout the day, the jury sent back multiple notes saying she refused to deliberate. They were hopelessly deadlocked and nothing was changing, ultimately leading to today's outcome.
Mistrial has occurred, or a hung jury has occurred.
As the judge declared a mistrial, Dallas County District Attorney John Creuzot was in the courtroom, later sharing his reaction.
I never have an anticipation of anything except that we'll do our best. And I have been involved in cases where you think that the person is just guilty of everything and the jury thinks otherwise.
Whoever that juror was, at any point where they decided the state had not met their burden, they were entitled to stand by that belief, and that's what they did, and I appreciate that.
The families of the victims Chemirmir is accused of murdering, however, were shocked. They were expecting a guilty verdict right away.
We are just disappointed that they could not come to the correct and obvious.
They believe the prosecution presented a compelling factual case, and the juror, who would not budge, had her mind made up before she ever even walked into the courtroom.
Having a chance to look at Billy Chemirmir and look at his face and have the jury look at the victims' children here that are what they felt like and they have their feelings, I think it was, it was a wrong thing to do.
Billy Chemirmir will now remain in jail, awaiting a retrial for the capital murder of Lou Harris.
We're along for the ride for however long it takes to accomplish that goal.
And additionally, Chemirmir has 17 other murder indictments that could go to trial. He's also a suspect in multiple other murder cases. In Dallas, Aaron Jones, CBS 11 News.
And just so you know, hung juries are fairly rare because of the way the court system is set up in the United States. Even if jurors go in to start deliberations without a consensus, usually they will reach one, as criminal defense lawyer Stephanie Ola explains to us.
As you can well understand, it is difficult to be the lone or, one of a few holdouts to a group of people who are otherwise in agreement.